As the world is still not fully open, I am doing a throwback for this month's vlog. June 2018, I took a girls trip to Gran Canaria to enjoy the sea, sun and activities. What are they doing with? It was a much needed break after a stressful few weeks at work, so off we went to let our hair down. We stayed at the Amphi Beach Club, which had the most amazing views, the nicest staff, and it had every activity under the sun, from petanque to volleyball to cooking classes. Just here, ready to go and ride a camel. Say hi to my friends. Hey cutie! Hey! Look at these girls doing all that.
I just don't like the fact that they're chained up.
So we have discovered that the camels are not being inhumanely treated, but rather they do have to be chained to make sure that they do not run away. Are you okay with that, Chinwe? Will you be riding the camels still?
Yes.
Guys, here I am with my friends. Say hi, friends.
Hello.
Just here with the camels. Look at the camel. I guess like it's not a bad view to be having lunch at, you know. Beautiful game of volleyball. My team was definitely the superior team, but I'm a Christian, so I really believe in letting people, like, you know, giving them a chance, because Chinwe and Moya were quite new to the whole game, so we're like, you know what, like, let's not actually shatter the dreams, so we took it easy on them. Just here, running to go to my mojo making class, which is a sauce that goes on a staple of Gran Canaria food, which is papas arrugadas, which is just salted potato. So this is another part of the beautiful tour that we're just describing right now. Hey Mayo! So we're just on our way to get some dinner, but of course we'll look really cute, so I have decided on having a little photo shoot. Like a flag, this trip was to let us some steam, and what better way than to dance whenever you get a chance. Oops, I did it again.
You're my doctor.
You just got served.
In between all the activities, it was nice just enjoying playing around in the sea.
Getting close.
Having the best time.
You
really went tomorrow.
Getting close.
A great holiday.
I think it'll look better.
Many more holidays to come.
Coronavirus! Coronavirus!
Look at this view. Look at this view. Last day vibes. And just like that, it was time to say goodbye to Gran Canaria and head back home.